Hey, you YouTube fans, I'm using the F8 Shout out to my homeboy Red. He's putting all nighter with me. I've been doing these videos for about 2 or 3 weeks now. But I need some more subscribers. I need people to like my videos. I'm trying to get this money. That's what I'm trying to do. For real. I enjoy making these videos at the same time I'm trying to get money, you know. That's what it's all about. But Red, he's my homeboy. I met him today. He's a cool dude. I mean, I argued with him at first, but now we friends. Cause I'm a peaceful dude. And look at that. I picked up the last kill cam, you know, cause I'm fine like that. And you know, I'm a beast. Alright. And you know, 2-0. My homeboy Red 0-0, cause he didn't get no kill. It's not bad though. But you know, I planted the bomb, you know. But I got killed by the bomb, but I was 5-0. But now I'm 5-1. And I'm really enjoying this video. Commentary is live. Yeah, last kill by young hoover is by the bomb. And you know, Red, he's 0-1. He's starting off slow, but I promise you, he gonna end very great. Isn't that right? Alright, he made me a promise. Got we went to 3-0. I'm 7-1. 2 plants, no defuses, cause we ain't been on that side. Ooh, Red, my homeboy got the last kill with the suppressor and the red dot, you know. But it's alright, cause you know we straight beasts like that. And I want y'all to like and subscribe all my videos. And Big Red, I mean, it's Red said he gonna make a comeback. Now see, he made 3 kills in 1 round. You see this? Ooh, okay, I got sniped 7-2. Ooh, we got the crypt tech. I see you. I'm gonna let y'all see my homeboy. It's Red gameplay. So hopefully he do good. They upstairs, Big Red. I mean, it's Red. They got riot shield, bro. I promise you guys. No, you just FAL. Oh, they ain't got riot shield. Last time they had riot shield. Ooh, it's alright. Cause He's 62. I'm 72. We going off. I mean, we just straight beats. Can't nobody stop us. If you want to stop us, add him at X space red space X space X 18. You want to play me? Add me at YUNGHOOVER X boss. Yeah, bitch, I want 2v2 though. Little pussy boys on YouTube. Y'all think y'all the crap face, don't y'all? But y'all not. Really not. But it's a V3 clan all day. Just let y'all remind y'all that. I say that every video. I say Yahoo best boss. Ooh. Yeah, bomb A. Plant the bomb. Ooh, ah, he got a hit marker. Ooh, one shot. 4-0. We won. You know, all day, every day. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Thank you.